Hello, if you're looking for the right course to begin your web developer journey in 2025, you're welcome. You are definitely in the right place. Today, we're going to build our first HTML website that is going to say, "Hello world." How classy that's going to be. So, what exactly is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language used to create websites. HTML uses a lot of tags to tell the browser what to display and how to display it. We are going to see that in just a moment, and we'll be creating our first website. So if you're in 2025 and you're beginning your developer journey, you're welcome. Knowing HTML gives you a lot of control over how a website is structured. Even with modern tools like WordPress or Webflow, HTML knowledge helps you customize better website. HTML is combined with CSS for design and JavaScript for functionality or intercreativity. If you're like me and you're beginning your web developer journey in 2025, you're definitely on the right track, and you're welcome to download the best IDE that I'm recommending you for your developer journey, which is going to be the Visual Studio Code. So you can head over to www.visualstudiocode.com and you click on this one. Once you find that, you can download for your operating system. If you have a Windows, you should download for Windows, and if you have a Mac, you can download for Mac. So I have already done that. I'll be moving right away to my Visual Studio Code. Okay, so if you've downloaded and you're right here, great job. But if you didn't get here, no problem. You can always go to the description of this video to find the link and guidance on how to follow up with the lesson. So this is going to be the exact template when you download the Visual Studio Code, or if you're not here now, this is how it's going to look like for you. This is how it's going to look like for you. When you go to File, you open New, and you open a new file, you're going to arrive here. And because we're dealing with HTML, you're going to click on select the language, and then we begin by typing HTML, and it's going to be the first one that appears at the top, and then you click on it. So it's going to come with your HTML template. It's going to come with your HTML template that look like this, that you can use, and we can begin a development from here. So if you see this, do not be confused, do not be worried. I'm going to explain this in just a couple of seconds. Now, the first line you see here, which is HTML doc type, it tells the browser this is an HTML5 element, or simply this is going to be a website, right? Now, HTML here is the root of your document. Here is it. This is going to define the root of your document, and then you have the head section, which contains meta information like the title and styles and scripts. We're going to see that lovely combination when we get to JavaScript and CSS. We're going to see how to link all of that to give our website both functionality and beauty. Now, when we get to the title tag, which is here, it sets the title as shown in the web browser. So if you're looking for something like www.google.com, if you put in Google here, that is what is going to appear exactly on your web browser. How about we try that? We're going to try it out in a couple of seconds. Now, the body is where everything else on your website is going to fit, whatever you want to be visible in your website. So we're going to see it with our first program that we're going to run, which is the Hello World program. So for example, let's begin by typing our first program. So you're welcome to join me. So we're going to do an H1, which is usually a heading 1. So we'll do an H1 tag by simply typing anchor bracket, left anchor bracket, and we type in H1. So we put a right anchor bracket, and then automatically Visual Studio Code is going to close the tag for us. So you have a left anchor bracket, you have a forward slash and an H1, and a right anchor bracket which closes the tag basically. So we're going to say hello world. We're going to say hello world here. Fantastic. And there you go. We have our first ever HTML program. Wonderful. So you're going to save that by pressing Ctrl S or Command S if you're on Mac. And we're going to save it with a name, which is of course hello world. Hello world. And you want to save it with the file extension HTML because it's an HTML document. You might want to save it anywhere on your workspace. I'm just going to save mine there. And the next thing I'd like to do is to run my code. So if you're on Visual Studio Code like me, you could just head over to run and start debugging. Then you're going to choose a web browser for it. You have to run your HTML code on a web browser. You have, for example, here I have Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and you might have a whole other list of browsers here, depending on what the browser default is. So I'm just going to run mine on Chrome. I already had one program running, so this is going to load up, and we are there. The program says hello world. So this is your first official hello world program in HTML. If you love the video, you might want to check out the resources and links to more videos in the comment section below. You could as well like, subscribe, and share the video. Come back for more. And congratulations, you're now on your journey to becoming a full web developer. Thank you.